You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. This is a brand name. This is the name of one of the biggest chemical companies in the world. It's originally German. So the full name, or the original name, is das Badische Anilin- und Soda-Fabrik. That's the German pronunciation. In English, it's simply called BASF. You could say BASF, but no, BASF. It's how it is pronounced. Just spell out the letters BASF, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.